welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos on my channel. I also love to blog, so if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. So today I am back with a very exciting video. I'm going to share with you how I make my own custom-made, designer-inspired projects for my bedroom and my beauty room. I love when my bedroom is pink and girly and full of decor, so if you love any of that, make sure to keep on watching. I'm going to leave you all the links to the material that I use to create these fun projects on my blog, so check it out. It's FABIOLAG.com. I'll leave all the details and products and everything, so make sure to check it out. So for my DIY projects, I did use the Cricut machine. However, don't be afraid to try other things if you don't have a Cricut machine. I don't think you necessarily need to have one to create fun projects. They do have like the pre-cut letters at Walmart. They also have lots of them at Hobby Lobby. They have the iron-on vinyl. They have the just adhesive vinyl, like the letters. They have shapes. They have so many different things. So you can definitely use that as well. Or you can even use like the iron-on paper that you can print from your printer. So there's definitely so many options. You don't necessarily need to have a Cricut. Also, just a quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I create these for myself, my own personal use, but you can inspire yourself from this video so that way you can create your very own fun and girly projects and decorate your room. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So for my project, I use some designs from Google. Just make sure that they have a transparent background. Also make sure that when you print them out, you mirror them. So that way when you print them out, they are on the correct side. And you don't necessarily need to have a Cricut machine or any machine of any sort. You can literally get many different shapes, letters, and designs in any craft store. So that way you can create your very own design. So here I'm just taking this cute glittery CC design that I am going to place on my mask. And I also have these golden letters and some additional designs that I am making for my daughter and my mom. So using my transfer paper, I am going to transfer this cute design onto this perfume tray. And I got this little tray for less than $7. It looks super cute. I'm going to put my perfumes in there, and I've seen these at like Instagram and like many people selling them for over like $50, and this was only like $7 to make. For the brush holder, I am using the gold design that I printed out, and these brush holders are great for keeping your brushes nice and clean, also dust free. They do come with either white pearls or pink pearls, and you can be as creative as you want. You can add extra embellishments or even a bow, but you can literally like use these for so many different things, and it looks so cute in the vanity. I also have these adorable flip-flops. These were only $4. These are probably my favorite out of all these projects. They look so cute and so stylish, and I can't believe it only cost me less than $4. So I'm applying the designs. I did do my face mask, and I also did a cute t-shirt. This t-shirt came out so cute. So these little books that I have here, I got them at the dollar store. I literally spent less than $2, probably like $1 for the book and then $1 for these embellishments that I also got at the store. And you can literally just throw like any like hard paper, cardboard paper on the top to cover the book, and then just embellish them to make them super cute. So here are some other finished designs and projects that I made for my bedroom so that it could look cute and pretty. I love creating all these kinds of designs and decorations for my room. I just love it when my room is super cute and girly. So I really hope you love these designs, and hopefully you can get inspired to make your own. video. I really hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments down below which project was your favorite, and I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.